Hey YouTube. So if you're anything like me, you listen to music a lot and you create playlists of a certain emotional theme. For example, maybe you're in kind of like a celebratory mood, like you got an A plus on an exam. Never happens to me. Or maybe you're just trying to release anger. Basically, when I decide what to listen to, I make that decision based on my current emotional state. And I don't think I'm the only one who listens to music like this. So I made an app which listens to you talk and finds songs that are matched to your current emotional state. And in fact, I'm recording my own voice right now and trying my best to sound happy, energetic, and enthusiastic. Hopefully, the app should be able to convert what I'm saying into text and come up with a happiness score on a scale of 0 to 1. And then it should recommend songs with similar emotional content. So let's see what it comes up with using this clip. And this is the app. It's called Melody Match. It's a pretty simple, somewhat plain website. There's an option to record a new clip within the app itself, but this is the one that you just saw in the intro. I'll play it again. So if you're anything like me, and in fact, I'm recording my own voice right now and come up with... All right, and I'm gonna press Get Song Recommendation here. And now here is the result. You're in a kind of celebratory mood, like you got an A plus on an exam. Looks like it categorized those as positive, and never happens to me is negative. Trying my best to sound happy, energy. It thinks it's positive and with a pretty high confidence value. Here you can see the average sentiment score. It's weighted based on like how high the confidence is. So on average, during this whole recorded intro clip, my sentiment is 0.75, and here are the song recommendations. These are all songs that have a valence value that is higher than or equal to this score. And here you can see the valence values for each song. By the way, these are all songs from my Wrapped 2022, so this is actually what I listened to, if you're interested at all. This is this is actually a very happy song, so I'm glad that this is here. And now if I click any of these links, it should play the song. Okay, you get the idea. Any of these links would then So you might wonder, what should you say? Okay, like right now, I just came out of class and I didn't understand a thing. Next, I'm gonna work on a program, but I've been stuck on a bug for around 2 hours. Not looking forward to that. So here's the transcription for that clip you just saw of me outside the classroom. And as you can see, it's pretty negative. The sentiment score is 0.14. And we look through the recommendations here. These are all class. This is, representative of what I listen to in my Spotify Wrapped. But there are other see, this is more of like an angry song. Yeah, and this is an angry song too. But here we can just play like one of the sadder ones here. So that's pretty much the app. Why would anyone want to use this? At least for me, my mood is really influenced by music. Like I'll face some stress event, I'm running late for a meeting, or I can't find my keys and I'm trying to look, where did I go today? A close friend or family member is going through some kind of crisis or something. In all these situations, my mood makes a massive difference in how I respond. And music is a tool which really alters that mood. Like I can intentionally choose something which I know will make me happier later. I'll be more ready to face life's challenges, believing in myself more. Or in the moment, I know that if I choose a different song which talks about failure in a negative light, I might make a different set of decisions later that day. I'll innately be more doubting myself, trying to stay in my comfort zone. There are all these effects. When I was building this app, I realized there's actually very different ways you can approach the recommendation process. Like you can either try and bring your level of happiness back to baseline, or you can try and make yourself as happy have these big swings in emotions. Maybe moderation is a better strategy. So for anyone curious out there, I'll just quickly go over how this app works. I'm performing what's called sentiment analysis, which is an application of machine learning. Right now, I'm querying AssemblyAI's Audio Intelligence API. It's a company which specializes in NLP. For all you software devs out there, if you want to check out the code or perhaps like extend what I've built so far, you can check out the GitHub repo link in the description. I should also give credit to GitHub username Kavan72. I don't know who you are, Kavan, but I forked your repo. For all you like non-coders out there, basically I used his blank recording website as a template and I extended it. So thanks, Kavan. For everyone watching out there, tell me what you think of this idea in the comments. Am I the only one who has ever like wanted this functionality? Maybe I am, but let me know. To be honest, I don't think this idea has that much potential, mostly because I didn't really accomplish that much in building this project. Music platforms like Spotify could easily already add just a feature, almost just like in one day. They can just implement a feature where they can record your voice and then look through their use their own algorithms to recommend a song. They can do it much better than me, right? So I don't really have an advantage here. That's all I have for today. Thanks for tuning in and let me know what you think of this project. All right, bye-bye.